Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk through how to make good thumbnails for YouTube gaming. Here are the steps to make a good YouTube gaming thumbnails. First is to open the Canva in your web browser and make sure to sign into your account. In the search bar, type YouTube thumbnail and press enter to open the preset canvas size. Pick a gaming themed template or click blank thumbnail to start from scratch. Click Uploads, Upload Files, click on the file, then click Open to add your game screenshots, logos, or character images. Drag your main image, like a game scene or character, onto the canvas and resize it to fit. Use the background remover for Canva Pro or add a solid color gradient background for clarity. Now click the text, add a heading, and type a short, bold title like Epic Win or Level 99 Boss. Resize it and position it. Choose thick, high contrast fonts like Anton or Bebas New for readability on small screens. Add elements like arrows, glow effects, or icons from the Elements tab, then adjust its size to make it eye-catching. Keep your layout simple and focused. Highlight one main subject or emotion. When finished, click Share, click Download, file type to PNG, then hit Download to save your thumbnail. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.